hyper-reflective crystal plains, electric fissures, metallic elegance, now entering orbit of Krystara 9, a planet sculpted entirely from crystalline mineral structures. Towering quartz formations stretch miles high, fracturing light into spectral ribbons across the horizon. Notice the electric veins beneath the surface. Those glowing fractures, they're not damage, they're power. Krystara generates its own electromagnetic storms, charging its crystal forests like living circuitry. The satellite ahead is conducting resonance mapping carefully. One wrong frequency, and the entire landscape sings. Coming into view now, Virakta. At first glance, it looks like a star, but it isn't. This is a solid world, a planet, with a crust fractured into glowing rivers of lava and flowing plasma seas. Its atmosphere burns in constant twilight, not bright like a sun, but deep ember red, like something that never fully cools. Mountains rise from molten plains, their peaks hardened black against oceans of liquid fire. Plasma storms arc across the sky, contained within a magnetic shell that keeps the planet from tearing itself apart. Virakta doesn't radiate like a star. It breathes. Slow surges, heat rising and falling. A pulse you can almost feel through the hull. This isn't destruction. It's pressure. It's transformation. A world forever remaking its own surface. And somehow, it holds. As we come into view of this next world, you'll notice something immediately different about it. There are no continents, no visible land masses, and no polar ice caps. This planet is covered entirely in water from pole to pole. This is the Lhasa Veil. Unlike Earth's bright ocean blues, the surface here appears much darker, almost sapphire in tone, reflecting the surrounding stars like glass. From orbit, it looks calm and almost perfectly smooth, but beneath that surface, the planet is constantly moving. Massive underwater currents stretch for thousands of miles, and entire storm systems form below the surface rather than above it. Deep trenches glow faintly with bioluminescent marine life, creating soft waves of light that ripple across the night side of the planet. There are no mountains here and no solid ground to stand on, only depth. Miles and miles of water under immense pressure. The Lhasa Veil doesn't crash or roar the way you might expect. Instead, it feels steady and continuous, like a slow planetary heartbeat moving beneath us as we pass overhead. From orbit, this planet appears faceted, as if it were cut from a single massive gemstone. This is Krystara 9. Vast fields of reflective metal stretch between spires of crystalline alloy that extend miles into the atmosphere. Every surface refracts light into shifting bands of color, creating a constant display of spectral flashes across the horizon. The planet's core generates an unusually strong magnetic field. As a result, electrical currents travel visibly through fractures in the surface, forming glowing lines that move like slow lightning beneath the crystal planes. These energy flows help stabilize the structures rather than break them apart. There is no soil here and no liquid water. Instead, the terrain consists of hardened metallic ridges, polished mineral valleys, and resonance chambers formed by natural geometric precision. When charged particles from nearby stars make contact with the atmosphere, the entire surface emits a low harmonic vibration. Krystara 9 is not a chaotic world. It is structured, reflective, and almost architectural in its formation. It feels less like a naturally formed planet and more like something carefully engineered by cosmic forces over billions of years. And just like that, we're docking back home. Thank you for traveling with the Diamond Starliner. If you loved the view, don't keep it to yourself. Give this voyage a thumbs up, share it with your fellow star travelers, and don't forget to subscribe. Because the universe is huge, and we've only just scratched the surface. Until our next launch, stay curious, stay luminous, and we'll see you among the stars.